Hey guys, today I wanted to make a short video just to explain how a trading floor works. I think there's a lot of misconception around what people actually do on there and what happens there. So let me start off by saying that the image is pretty much what a traditional trading floor looks like. Um, so if you were to give a short diagram of what that looks like, if you look from above, so basically you have a big room like that with different desks. Boop. So here's a desk. Here's another desk. Here's another one. Poof. Well, you get the idea. And then you have, people that sit at those desks. Up. Some more people here, and so on and so forth. So basically, the trading floor is organized by desk, and each desk does a specific product. So this might, for instance, be the equities desk where they trade equities. Then here you would have a commodities desk where they trade commodities like petrol or, for instance, precious metals. This might be a different desk where they do foreign exchange, where they trade currencies, and so on and so forth. So the trading floor is basically organized in this dynamic of every desk does a different asset. Now you might be wondering who these people are that sit at those desks. So these can be of different roles. So you are gonna have mainly, let's say, four roles. So roles would be trader. So at those desks, you're gonna have some traders that are gonna sit there. You're also gonna have salespeople. Then you're also gonna have what are called structurers. And finally, you have quants and IT. Okay. So at those desks, at most banks, at every bank, you're always gonna have traders and sales that are gonna sit on this trading floor. And at most banks, you're also gonna have the structurers and sometimes the quants and IT. So the way it's going to work is that basically, okay, let's add a couple of more people here at the equities desk, for instance. So you're going to have, for instance, these people here. They're going to be traders. And these guys here are going to be salespeople. And then if there's some more space on the desk, you might have a couple of structures as well that will sit either at this desk or a desk nearby, and same thing with the quants and IT people. So what do they do, each of those people? So the traders, they are responsible for managing the risk that ends up in their trading book. So manages the risk in trading book. Then you have the salespeople. So the salespeople, they speak. Whoop. It's not very clear. They speak with clients. So the salespeople are basically your main point of contact if you're a client and you wish to trade with the bank. So clients will speak with the sales, and the sales will then speak themselves with the traders. And so the clients will, for instance, want to put on a trade, and they will speak to the sales, and then the sales will speak to the traders to, get a price and then put that product into the trader's trading book. So the traders never really talk to the clients, it's the sales that do it. Finally, you have the structures. The structures, they make bespoke solutions for clients. So let's say that a client has a very specific request about a very specific financial products that doesn't exist, then the structures will be the ones to design this product. So they will be quite math savvy and have a good knowledge of the different financial products that exist. So they make bespoke products or solutions for the clients. Finally, you have quants and IT. So the quants will work on the pricing models. So say pricing models in order to price the products, in order to have the right models to price the products that the structures create or that we sell to the clients. Finally, you have IT that is in charge of, making the tools that uh, traders and sales and structures use. So I hope that this gave you a short introduction as what the different roles are on the trading floor and what people do. I'll go into more detail as to what it means to be a trader, to work as a trader on a trading floor in a different video. But I think that this is a very useful summary of what this looks like and what the people on this floor are actually doing.